Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you this Edge Secure Network built-in VPN. Not everyone knows there's a free and built-in online security protection, which is VPN connection in your Edge browser, which you can use for free, and only limitation is like 5 gig VPN data every month. In my previous video, I have been introduced multiple different type of VPN, such as Cloudflare VPN and also Proton Free VPN. But this one actually is much interesting, which is Microsoft collaborate with Cloudflare and put it into Edge browser and without installing any client on your machine, then you can use this VPN to protect your online traffic. So far, only limitation is 5 GB of VPN data per month. From this web page, you can see the FAQ and you can get your questions answered from here. How it's being used, how do they protect you. I'm gonna show you in this video quickly to present it, how you can use it. Now let's jump into it. If you are able to get this website, you can click this big Try Now button here. It will open Edge settings page, which directly let you get into privacy search and services this page. At the end of this page, you can see Use Microsoft Edge Secure Network. For my account, my machine, this option is grayed out. I cannot toggle it on for some reason because the setting is turned off for managed browsers. This is built-in VPN configuration which can protect your online traffic, which no one can track you, where you come from, where's your location, where's your IP address, and only 5 gig free to use. Here is a question mark, which you can get you to know more information here. Which gonna explain how it's working. We didn't get a chance to turn this on, but I will show you another example how you can turn it on. But it doesn't affecting you to use it. For example, if we decide to use VPN to access this page or access my website, I'm gonna use my website as an example, which will show you your public IP on your right panel. Here, your public IP address is this one. And then we're gonna turn on Microsoft Edge built-in VPN, then this public IP address gonna be changed. Click this 3 dot and it will put drop down menu here. You are not going to the settings because this settings has been turned off for us. So we're gonna go into more tools. There's a secure network. Once you click that, the secure network panel gonna shows up. The VPN, you can toggle it on from here. And also you can click this to add this website into a group which always use VPN for this site. You cannot manage this group list because our settings page doesn't allow us to toggle on, but I will show you how it looks like. Actually, you don't need that list, but anyway, I'm gonna show you how it looks like and where is that option group list to allow using VPN or disallow use VPN. So right now we turned on this VPN. Now we're gonna refresh the page. As you can see, our public IP address has been changed. We can look at this public IP address. This is Cloudflare WAP IP. It belongs to Cloudflare. So basically, as we can tell, Microsoft collaborate with Cloudflare providing this VPN, built-in VPN function in the Edge browser. You also can use this website to check what is our current IP, because we are not using VPN on this website. So we are getting 76.71.67.25. Now turn on this, refresh again, our IP changed. So that's the basic way how you can use it. Now I'm in my sandbox, Windows sandbox, which has now my personal configuration. It's fresh installed Windows machine, Windows 11. So we are in Edge Secure Network VPN. We can try now. As you can see, this can be toggled on right now. So use Microsoft Edge Secure Network. So we are in settings, privacy, search and services, and the security page. So right now we can see there's quite a few options. You can do select site, you can do optimize, which is recommended. They will automatically protect your traffic when you're using public Wi-Fi on secure networks or visiting a site without a valid certificate. They will automatically turn it on, or you can enable all sites. But considering 5 gig, maybe you should use optimizer, else your 5 gig bandwidth is gonna be use it very quickly. Another option here is you can add net website which always use secure networks. You can add sites such as 51sec.org or never use such as YouTube. So kind of like whitelist, blacklist scene. Of course, you need to log in. So here you can see even we turned on the settings, they will not let you use it until you get the VPN for free. So you need to have an account to log in, just like what I'm doing here. I'm gonna got it. We can try to go to some website and to verify what's our IP. Well, it's automatically changed this time. It just takes some time for these settings getting to work. This time works, so we even didn't turn on this one. It does take a while for these settings come into effect. As you can see here, sometimes even you close the browser, you reopen it, it's still same. But anyways, the settings are here. You can turn it on. If you found it doesn't work, then manually turn it on. Always use VPN for this website, so it should work. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give me some up and subscribe my channel to support me. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.